match the column. Now here we are practicing something. So it is not necessary. I appreciate, I admire that you are studying well, you are studying a lot of things, reference books, reading, etc. all. But always everybody is not having 100% knowledge. If I am not having knowledge but still want to attempt and without mistake, is there any option? With little bit knowledge, we can check. Match the column. The problem of match the column is that if all four columns are matched perfectly, then only you will get supposed to mark, otherwise no. So just check out. I am moving outside. In first column, where A, B, C, D capitals letters they are mentioned, I am reading Vishakadatta, Varaha Mihira, Charaka and Brahmagupta. Whereas next column, where numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, that is written as medicine, drama, astronomy and maths. And the matched columns are given at bottom. Small a, b, c, d in column, whereas in row capital A, B, C, D options and number wise connections are given. Now just look at the table. You all must be aware, as I am aware, that Charaka should go with medicine. Only I am aware that Charaka goes with medicine. Then check out option C, where that C is having 1, but confusion is that here both C and D, they are giving option 1 as matched. So obviously I am eliminating out option A and B. Now there is 50-50 probability. If little bit more knowledge is there, you can check out that Varaha Mihir is connected with astronomy. And therefore, if Varaha Mihir is connected with astronomy, that is known, then the option must be B, that Varaha Mihir, that with 3. So B with 3 is given only in C. So this is also proved to be wrong. So I have cut that, and with having only 2 knowledge, I can say yes, this is there. Now obviously Vishakadatta, that is connected with drama, and Brahmagupta, that is connected with maths. So this way, with not 100% knowledge, but by using our presence of mind and whatever knowledge we have, we can go till here. In medieval India, Mansabdari system was introduced mainly for making option A, making recruitment to the army, option B, facilitating revenue collection, option C, ensuring religious harmony, option D, effective clean administration. First of all, we should discuss something about Mansabdari system. I am revising, some system was developed of this sort during Satavahan dynasty. A land was granted for temple, and whatever revenue that is collected from that land, that was given for particular temple. Like that, primitive form was there, but still it was existing. Later on, during early Turki rule, Ikta system was developed. The Iktedar, or that is called as Mukti, the chief of that Ikta, that was also having same idea. A province, say for example, suppose this is my state, one particular province is there. This is donated to somebody, and at that time his responsibility was there to carry out effective tax collection from that area, maintain law and order, and whatever the surplus are there, apart from all the salaries and expenses, whatever surplus is there, that surplus is given to king or given to emperor. So this way, Ikta system was developed. Now here, we are talking of Mansabdari system. This is the modification of all these type of systems. Here, when I am talking of Mansabdari system, it is divided into two parts. One is called as Mansab, and second, that is called as Jagir or Jahagir. Don't say Jahangir. Jagir or Jahagir. Two parts are here considered. Now, when I am talking of Mansabdari system, in India, this system was introduced by Akbar the Great. But this system was introduced first by Chengiz Khan or Genghis Khan, ancestor of Akbar. If you are recollecting out, the Babur was supposed to be fifth in the race of Chengiz Khan from mother's side. So great Mongol invader, and vast empire was carved out in the world by Chengiz Khan. He was not Muslim, he was following Tengri as a religion. He was against Muslim, particularly he challenged out various Muslim emperors and kings and carved out his vast empire. And fortunately, India was saved from this foreign attack of Chengiz Khan. Now, after that, Babur entered and his people entered in Indian administration also. Akbar introduced this term. This is Mansabdari system. Now, particular Mansab is divided into two parts again. That is called as Jat. Jat means not caste system. That is word something different. This is not Sanskrit word. So Jat means we can say the army without vehicle. Even horse is included as vehicle. Mule, horse, they are all vehicles. So vehicleless army, that is called as Jat. And Sawar, that is mounted army. You can say cavalry, that is also example of Sawar. Now, state was divided into different Mansabdars. Mansabdar means what we can similar Ikta and Mukti. Mukti is what? Chief of that Ikta. Ikta is name of province, the system. Now here, Mansab is allotted to a particular, say, I am saying one king is there, who is allowed with some Mansab. The rank was given. It was ranging from 10 to 5,000. In latter period, it was extended to 7,000. Netaji Palkar, the right hand of Shivaji the Great, after changing of party, he joined Adil Shah for 5,000 Mansabdari system and then joined Mughal for 7,000. So like that, according to ability, ranks were given. Now these Mansabdars has to maintain his Jat and Sawar. The first grade Mansabdar should maintain the number of Jat and number of Sawar as same. The third grade should have less than half of Jat, that is total number of Sawar, Means suppose I am having 100 Jat, then my Sawar, that is mounted people, should be less than 50. Then I am belonging to third grade of the administrator or say the Mansabdar. In order to get salary of all these people and whatever the expenditure is there for maintaining horses, elephants, cavalry, all that, whatever the charges, they are not paid directly through the treasury. For that purpose, this is something like ikta. That land was allotted to a person. That land is called as jagir or jagir. So mansab is different and jagir is different. Try to get the concept. Now, to maintain mansab, he is allowed with jagir. That fellow is having right to collect taxes from jagir, but not supposed to interfere in the political matter of jagir. For that purpose, Akbar or whatever the Mughal emperor later on, used to appoint government officials separately and they were paid. Paid means cash payment was given. Whereas Mansabdars were not paid. Mansabdars used to collect revenue or taxes from the given territory. But at administrative level, no influence of Mansabdar should be there or Jagirdar should be there. Jagirdars were collectors of taxes and not responsible for maintaining law and order. For that purpose, separate paid officials of government were introduced. And what is the reason? That monopoly of person was not possible in this case. Whatever the Sawars and Jat, the persons we had to introduce, it was given that these people should not belong to same ethnic group. It should be mixture of Mongols or Mughals, possibly Persians, Afghan, Rajput, Hindustani, like that various categories, various ethnical groups should be there. Why? Because no unity, strong unity should be there in these soldiers. Ethnic closeness should not be there. And then they will work to more efficiently, like that theory was there. This is about Mansabdari system. So Mansabdari system differs from Ikta system in the way that the chief of Ikta, that is called as Mukti, was having right to rule over that territory, where here it is not. One more thing, the Mansab were not hereditary. In certain cases, particularly only for Rajputs, it was becoming hereditary, and so it was called as Watan rather than Mansab. So only that was the difference. Now here, you are aware of now what is Mansab, what is Ikta, Jahagir, Watan. Now question, we are going again. In medieval India, Mansabdari system was introduced mainly for making option A, making recruitment to the army. Obviously, main aim of this Mansabdari system was not for recruitment of army. Facilitating revenue collection. Again speaking, truly speaking, revenue collection was there, but it was not introduced for facilitating revenue collection. With our prior discussion, I may say, ensuring religious harmony. This is the might. Not at all it was possible, but you may say that just now we discussed that soldiers were from all groups should be there. Yes, but the intention was not there that should be there for religious harmony. It was the intentionally carried out divide and rule policy. So obviously option D must be correct. That is effecting clean administration. Yeah, this is true. Basically, only Mansabdar used to get payment from Jahagir or given territory. Need not be, suppose somebody is having Jahagir of 10,000 rupees, that means revenue is there of 10,000 rupees. He need not have a same piece of land or adjoining piece of land. Anywhere these pieces, the same piece of land was having two different rulers. Say Mansabdars were there, that Jagirdar or Mansabdar to collect tax revenue, whereas the other paid servants of emperor, they were there to maintain law and order and other matters of that particular Jagir. And therefore, the effective rule of emperor was there. So this is something that what happened exactly in Turkey rule. The land was divided into smaller segments. That was avoided. Direct control of central government was there. Apart from that, the check is there, say Jagirdar or Mansabdar and government officers. And so that will lead to more clean government. 100% clean government is not possible, because Chanakya in Arthashastra, why I am taking name of Chanakya, because he is considered as very much intelligent person in those days. He says that it is very difficult to find out government officer who is clean. Yeah, I am not saying not there. Yes, they are there. Certain examples are also there. But what Chanakya says, that I am saying, that it is difficult to get this type of officer. The person, he gives example in this way, a person who is having honey at tip of his tongue and not testing out honey. It's possible. So this is the condition, what Chanakya says. Exception, you can find out himself Chanakya, that being Prime Minister, he was not staying in a palace. He was staying in a small hut outside the capital. Next question. Which of the following text of ancient India allows divorce to a wife deserted by her husband? This is specific. Without knowledge, we are not supposed to give this type of answers. So it is my again advice that this type of questions to solve, we must have external reading. And if it not, then don't jump out or gaze out any famous name is there on basis of that. So which of the following text of ancient India allows divorce to a wife deserted by her husband? Options: Kama Sutra, Manav Dharma Shastra, option C, Sukra Niti Sara, most probably it should be Shukra Niti Sara, and last Arthashastra. So here option is there, that is Arthashastra, given by Kautilya or Chanakya. But keep in mind, the Kautilya and Chanakya both have not original names of a person. Name of person is Vishnugupta, but he is famous as either Chanakya or Kautilya. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Guru Amar Das with Miri and Piri, Guru Arjan Dev or Guru Arjun Dev with Adi Granth, Guru Ramadas with Dal Khalsa, Guru Gobind Singh with Manji. I am revising. Guru Amar Das, Miri and Piri, Guru Arjun Dev, Adi Granth, Guru Ramadas, Dal Khalsa, Guru Gobind Singh, Manji. Without knowledge about Sikh sect, this is not easily answerable. But those who are having knowledge or those who are Sikhs, they can give answer very easily. The answer goes as Guru Arjun Dev for Adi Granth. Adi Granth is original name actually. We are calling that as Guru Granth Sahib. So that Guru Granth Sahib is called as actually the name is Adi Granth, which is compilation of various religious shlok. It is not necessary that everything should be there from only Guru Nanak and following Gurus. One of the famous saint from Maharashtra, that is Saint Namdev, his shloka, they are also considered in the Guru Granth Sahib or Adi Grantha. So the matched pair, because you can check out that Guru Ramdas and Dal Khalsa. Dal Khalsa is there for Guru Gobind Singh. And if one pair is correct, they are asking which one is correct. And if you are having complete knowledge that Guru Arjun Dev, he is there for Adi Grantha, then you can give answer immediately that. But try to check out what are the other references.